Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the keyboard. Install 2 fresh AA batteries and confirm the power switch is on. Once done, make sure any old wireless receivers are removed from nearby USB ports so the signal is clean. If your K220 uses a dedicated receiver, find it and keep it close to your computer. If it supports Bluetooth via adapter or integrated radio, identify the pairing button now. These steps ensure the keyboard has power and an unobstructed radio path before you attempt pairing. You now connect. Plug the unifying receiver directly into a free USB port, preferably one on the laptop or top of the desktop. Hubs can cause dropouts. Next, open your operating system's Bluetooth settings or the Logitech Unifying/Options app. This tells the computer to listen. Press the connect or pairing button on the keyboard. When prompted, the OS or app will search and list the device. Make sure the keyboard is within a couple of meters and repress the button if it does not appear. You finish by verifying the connection. Type in a text field, check function keys, and confirm language layout. If nothing happens, first swap in new batteries and try a different USB port. Sometimes a powered port resolves detection issues. Make sure the unifying software or Bluetooth drivers are installed and up to date. Once installed, use the app to remove or repair the device. If interference persists, move other wireless devices away and retry. That usually fixes intermittent drops.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.